said, I've been talking about fixing that for 2 years and I haven't done it. I know you guys must be really sick and tired of me talking about something and not fixing it.
Well, it's not like you've had a lot of opportunities either, so.
Well, what I did is I noticed that it leaked bad when I was under a heavy load. So I just been hauling light stuff, and I've been doing really good at hauling light stuff, but that light stuff is finally starting to dry up. But I'm not gonna, so if I have to haul heavier stuff, it's gonna force me to fix it. I'm gonna be forced to fix it. If I have to haul heavier stuff, I'll be forced to fix it. Oil leak. And I know to a lot of you guys it's not a big deal, but this is what I'm working with right here. You know, so.
Yeah, we don't have a, there's Joy Boy. We don't have a paved lot. There's Joy, the boy.
I mean, I'll do it if I have to. When I get forced to do it, I'll do it. If I have to do it, I'll do it. And that's my point. If I have to start hauling heavier stuff, then that's going to force me to do it. So. Now that I got that one tightened up, the one next to it wants to be tightened up.
One of these days we might have a paved lot. It'd be nice, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
There's a lot of one of these days.
Yeah, I would like to take this section right here and put a carport where I can actually pull this up underneath it.
Come here, Joy.